Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through one of the most requested topics, how to migrate from Xero to QuickBooks Online. If you've been thinking about switching platforms but worried about losing your data, stick around because I'll break it all down step by step. So let's get started. When moving from Xero to QuickBooks Online, there are two main approaches: using a conversion tool called Data Switcher or doing a manual import. Let's talk about the first option, which is usually the easiest. Data Switcher is an official migration tool supported by Intuit. The best part? Intuit actually covers the cost of transferring your last 2 years of Xero data, so you don't have to worry about extra fees for that period. Here's how it works. First, access the Data Switcher wizard and select your region. Then choose Xero as your source system and QuickBooks Online as the destination. Next, you'll connect both your Xero and QuickBooks accounts and start the transfer. Once the migration begins, you'll receive an email with a link to track the progress in real time. When the transfer is complete, it's super important to review your data inside QuickBooks. Double-check things like customer details, invoices, and transactions. You'll also want to reconcile your bank transactions to make sure everything matches up correctly. Now, if you don't want to use Data Switcher, you can also import data manually. For this method, you'll start by exporting your data from Xero into CSV files, things like your customers, vendors, accounts, and products or services. Then you can import those files directly into QuickBooks Online using the built-in import feature. Keep in mind, though, there are some limitations. Certain data, such as budgets, memorized transactions, and payroll records, can't be imported. So be prepared for a little bit of extra manual setup after the migration. Once your data is in QuickBooks, you'll want to configure your account. Head into the advanced settings to set your fiscal year and month. Then reconcile your bank accounts so that balances and transactions line up correctly. Finally, do a cleanup and verification pass. Make sure everything looks accurate and resolve any discrepancies right away. A quick tip here: migrating with clean data makes the whole process smoother. If you can, take the time to tidy up your accounts in Xero before starting the switch. And that's it. Whether you use Data Switcher or import your data manually, you now know exactly how to migrate from Xero to QuickBooks Online with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your migration.